Hello guys, this is Boy Vicky from How to PC. Today I'll walk you through how to download and install Docker in your PC or Windows machine. This is very easy. You go to any browser. I prefer that you use your Google Chrome. Click and type Docker and go to official website. Click on it and scroll down. Scroll up and go to get started. Use that Docker desktop used for Windows machine. Click on it. You see, Docker will download. This may take time, that depends on your internet speed or internet connection. It may take like half a minute or 2 minutes. This done 1 minute. After you uninstall it, wait for a second until you see open or the green or the brown cycle disappear. You see, double click on it to open Docker and wait for a second until pop-up window. Click yes. Download package. Click yes. Do you want to replace your version Docker desktop? Click yes. Preparing for install and update. If you have to install, you click next and install. Will automatically install Docker because I'm downloaded before. You do unpackaging files. This may take time, 2 minutes, 3 minutes and a half. Because you do unpacking files. Let's pause that and back again. We're back again. We installed successfully and get close. You will see we are successfully download the Docker in our PC machine. And this video for today, hope for you. And don't forget to subscribe my channel to see new stuff and see you next time, guys. Bye bye.